Hello once again, welcome everyone. So here we are in the second video of our topic, that is Asia. So I have already discussed about the political division of the Asia. Here we will be dealing with the physical features of the Asia. Okay, so without any further delay, let's have a look into the physical division of the Asia. Okay, now see, uh, Asia covers an area of your 44.58 million square kilometer. Okay, given its vast size, though comparatively its physical features are few, and five main division have been made on the basis of the relief. Okay, so these are your northern lowland, the central mountain mass, the plateaus of the south, river valleys and the island group. These all are the five important divisions of the Asia based on their relief. Okay, so now let's have a look on the northern lowland. In the northern lowland, you will get this six types of different features like your Siberian plain, you have a Ural mountain, Bering Strait in the east, the three long overflowing snow flowing river, the Turan plain and the important deserts of Karakoram and the Kizilkum. Okay, now through the map we will try to see all these features. Okay, now see here in the map, the northern lowland consists of this very vast Siberian plains. Okay, you can see in the map the Great Siberian Plain, which stretches across the North Asia, is the largest continuous plain in the world. Okay, then you can see it is roughly triangular in shape. Then you have a Ural mountain in the west and the Bering Strait in this east side. Okay, this form the basis of two central mountains. Okay, then we have a three snow that you can see in the map. One is your Ob, you see Lena. Okay, these are the three snow flowing river northern lowlands. Then you have another important features in the northern lowland is, you see, to the south of this Ural mountain you have a broad Turan lowland. Okay, Turan plains, which consisted of your two important desert of your, I said, Karakum and Kizilkum, and here important river is your Sri Darya and Amu Darya. Okay, the two important river drains through this plain. Okay, these are your Amu Darya and the Sri Darya. Okay, now we have a next the central mountain mass. Okay, so this also I will try to explain you with the help of the map only. Okay, you see here the heart of the Asia is made up of this mosaic of mountains. Okay, and intermountain plateaus. Together they constitute the largest areas of the world. The mountains seem like radiate from your palmy knot through the different direction. Okay, and it will form a spokes like of your structures. Okay, this from palmy knot you can see the ranges, the Himalayan, the Karakoram, Hindu Kush, then you have a Tian Shan, then you have your Kulunshan. So it radiates from the it radiates, or it seems radiate like the spokes of the wheel from the central point known as your palmy knot. Okay, now if you see the southwards from the palmy knot we have stretches this Himalayas. Okay, Himalayas, they run parallel through Nepal, northern and the northeastern India, and also your parts of Bhutan. Okay, then up to your Arkan Yoma, another range in Arkan Yoma. Okay, So here in this range we have an important peak like Mount Everest. You see, Mount Everest 848 kilometer is the highest peak in the world. Then we have a K2 here. You see, we have a K2 or Goodwin Austen 8611 meter, 8611 meter. It lies in the Karakoram range, runs of the Himalayas. Okay, then we have a Kunlun Shan, extends for more than 200 kilometer along the northern edge of the plateau of Tibet. You can see the plateau of Tibet here. Plateau of Tibet is an and this plateau of Tibet is an intermountain plateau that lies between your Kulun Shan and the Himalayas. Okay, now you understand what is intermountain plateau. The plateau that lies between the two mountain ranges. Okay, so here you can see one mountain range Kulun Shan and another mountain range Himalayas here. Okay, so this plateau of Tibet is also known as your roof of the world because of an elevation of 5000 meter. It is the highest plateau of the world. Okay, then we have another mountain range. This is here Tian Shan, stretches from the Pamir North in the north side and eastwards direction. You can see the Hindu Kush mountain range. Okay, this massive range stretches west to east over 2500 kilometers, spanning the border between the China and your Kyrgyzstan. Okay, now see this Hindu Kush range southwards from your Pamir North. It separates the Asia and from South Asia. Okay, this range, Hindu Kush range. Okay, and in this Central Asia we can see this Elburz mountain, okay, which run west to east of this Caspian Sea. Caspian Sea, you can see west to east of Caspian Sea. It lies in the north of your Iran, and you have another range here, Kirthar range. Kirthar range consisted of a small series of the hill which lies to your westward direction of the Pakistan. Okay, now we have another important range is here, Jaros range, which is the largest mountain range of the region, extend for your 1500 kilometer. Okay, then we have another intermountain plateau of Iran between your Jaros mountain range and your Elburz mountain range. The plateau of Iran is also known as an intermountain plateau between this mountain range. Okay, now see this plateau of, you see, plateau of your Anatolia, which lies between your Taurus mountain and the Pontic. Okay, so this is also intermountain plateau. Then we have another important features here. You can see the depression, the Tarim Basin, okay, which is the great depression between your Tian Shan in the north and Kulun in the south. Okay, east of this lies your huge Gobi desert and bordered north by the Mongolia. Okay, clear everyone? So this is all about the central mountain system of the Asia. Okay, now we will look into the okay, so this all are the names, important names has been written, important mountain systems. Okay, the ranges are there, mountains are there, whatever I explained now, everything has been written here for your convenience. Okay, now we will see the pictures again. Now here the important, the names of the important mountain ranges are written in these 3 columns. You all can note it down in your notebook. Okay, so these all are the important mountain ranges of the Asia. Okay, so this is all about the central mountain system. Now we will move to the views of the south. Okay, this is third important feature, Asia physical division. So plateaus of the south, to the south of the central mountain lies 3 major plateaus. We have the plateau of Arabia, the Deccan plateau, and the plateau of Indochina. Okay, we will see one, the plateau of Arabian plateau. Okay, this is your Arabian plateau. You all can see in the picture. In the southward Asia forms a peninsula with the Persian Gulf. Okay, to the northeast the Gulf of Oman to the east and the Arabian Sea to the southeast. Okay, the Gulf of Aden to the south and Red Sea in the west. Okay, it is steep in west and the slope towards the east. The largest, this is the largest desert of Asia. The Arabian desert lies in this plateau, the Arabian plateau. Okay, now next we have the Deccan plateau. Okay, this is of India. You all can easily understand this. Okay, see, you all can see in the map, this plateau lies between your Western Ghats and the Eastern Ghats. Okay, the important river draining in this and Kaveri. Okay, in the picture also you can see Kaveri, Godavari and Krishna. Okay, so these all are the important river that drains through this plateau. Okay, this is the Deccan plateau, which is also one of the important southern plateau of Asia. Okay, now next we have a plateau of Indochina. Okay, the plateau of Indochina is made up of the plateau of Shan, that is Myanmar, and Yunnan, that is of China. Okay, here important river, this is the picture of here Indochina plateau. Here you all know the important river are Huangho, Yangtze and Irrawaddy and Swellen in your Myanmar. Okay, you can see the river Irrawaddy and Swellen in this region. Okay, so this is the plateau of your Indochina. Okay, now next important features is the river valleys. The river Tigris and Euphrates flow into the Persian Gulf. They have built the Mesopotamia plain of Iran. Okay, please you once check the map which have been provided to you in the previous slide. The Indus and its 5 tributaries created the Indus plain spread over the northwest of India and Pakistan. So these all are the river valley. Okay, then we have another important, the Ganga Brahmaputra plain, which spreaded over your northern eastern India and your parts of Bangladesh also. Then we have in China the Yangtze and Huangho river, vast fertile plain. Okay, then Irrawaddy and Solen river have formed the fertile plain of Myanmar. So these all are the very important river valley in Asia. Okay, formed by the different rivers which drain through these places. Okay, next we have the islands group. The Varine lies in the Persian Gulf, Sri Lanka, the Lakshadweep Island and Andaman and Nicobar Island in the Indian Ocean. Then we have okay, I will explain this through the help of the map. Okay, which will be more convenient. Okay, okay, see here in the map, this island of the Sri Lanka, Andaman and the Nicobar Island. Then if you move towards the Indonesia, you have a many island, Java, Sumatra, then Jakarta, these are Sumatra, these all are the Indonesian island. Okay, then in the Japanese island you have you can see in this side Philippines, your Borneo and Kulin, these all are your Japanese island. So this all together make the island groups of the Asia. Okay, now we have a last topic, that is our drainage system. Okay, here you need to remember the names of the river. Okay, see, in the Indian Ocean we have a important river like your Tigris, Euphrates, Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra, Irrawaddy and so on. This all river I have already shown in the map. Okay, then in the Pacific Ocean, Chao Phraya, Mekong, Zi, Yangtze, Huangho and Diamur, and the in the Arctic Ocean we have Ov, Yangtze and the Lena. Then inland drainage. Okay, now let's understand what is inland drainage. Okay, when the rivers in a region do not reach the sea but flow instead to the lakes or the inland sea, this drainage system are known as your inland drainage. So rivers of Jordan flows into the Dead Sea. Okay, so this rivers are known as your inland sea. So this is the drainage system of the Asia. Okay, and in the map also you can see the pictures of this river. Some of I have already shown you, and remaining you all can search. Okay, this is all about the physical division of India. I hope you all have understand. And see, here the major river of the India once again. See all the rivers, the Tigris, the Amudarya, Sridarya, then you have your Irrawaddy, all the rivers are there, Yangtze, Lena, Ob. See, this is your, this all are the rivers, this all are the drainage system of the Asia. Okay, the name of the most of the rivers you can see in this map. Okay, so do follow this map for the drainage system. Okay, in India we have Ganga. Okay, in this we have, then in this Sangpu in actually this is Brahmaputra in China, but once it's entered to India we call it Brahmaputra. Okay, so this all are the important drainage system of the Asia. Okay, so I hope it is all clear to you. Okay, if not, then you are always free to ask the questions. Okay, so please try to understand and try to do some research and enhance your knowledge. Okay, okay, thank you for watching this much for today. Bye bye, take care, stay safe and happy.